Hey, Dan here, and welcome to my vlog. And this is the countdown. 6 days left before YouTube puts the suspensions on us small creators who have not reached our 1,000 subscriber goals. Now, as of right now, I didn't even look this morning or this afternoon. I am currently, I got some subscribers earlier tonight. Let's see, where am I at? Like I said, we got 6 days left. I've got 1,350 videos up, and I've got 891 subscribers, and got to have the 1,000 to get that done. So in 6 days, and I want to bring up the point that I have been using Facebook and boosting my videos to get my word out, and I haven't really looked at the total analytics right now. I spent about $20 to do that, and I've probably reached about 50,000. So whatever that brings in for views as far as my channel's concerned, I have an average of 50, just under, well, 47,000 views a month, and that's bringing me in approximately 60, maybe 60, about 60 subscribers a month. Just the way it is. I'm not doing anything other than, as far as SEO is concerned, other than just the title of the video and kicking a couple of the key words of that video in your target words. So regardless, I really didn't see, I think last month I had a boost from 60 to about 90 subscribers for the month. So, you know, you're still in there again. You got to look at how many views you got, and that's going to give you your average subscribers per month. In my case, I have a wide playlist. I don't just have one. I got drones, okay, but I don't specialize in drones. I repair Ford vehicles. I just don't specialize in Ford vehicles. I've got Chevy vehicles. I got Chrysler vehicles. I work on the house. I work around the house, and stuff of that nature. I travel, and I also, if I buy something, I do an evaluation on it. So I just don't have one. A lot of creators out there concentrate on one hobby, and they specialize in that one hobby, where I don't. My channel is made up of a variety, and that's where my my subscriber base is. We have dogs, Shih Tzus in particular, so dog lovers and stuff of that nature. So I don't just, again, specialize in one aspect. Right now I'm taking a course to get my commercial license so I can fly my drone, and then be able to put my drone videos up and make money on it on YouTube. Without that license, you technically cannot be putting your videos up and making money off those videos. So if the FAA sees it, comes on in looking for videos, and they decide to find out whether you have your actual pilot license, then and the word for that is, does it promote? Does it help you? Does it help your channel? Help you make money? Yes, it does. So right there, you need a commercial pilot license. So anyway, that's where I'm at. Like I said, I've been using Facebook, excuse me, as a booster. Man, gotta get me real quick here. Excuse me. So that is one facet, as well as just using the 4 areas. If you're in Facebook, you get in all different groups within whatever your category is that you're looking at, and then just put them in, put your videos in those categories, and they'll help you move out. But I do suggest that you be careful. Do not be spamming other creators to reach your level, because analytics, they will be watching. You have organic subscribers, and then you have other, and they want to make sure that you're doing other and not pushing all organic. So anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment if you like it, and definitely help me out, you know. Especially if you're outside the realm and searching for me. So take a look at my channel. Hopefully there's some content there that you're interested in, and then subscribe. And we'll catch you on the next Dana Crosby's Vlogs.